Process is ongoing as we speak.
Da ka jing thmu ban kham pen bhai ya ka kamai kaji bat ban ai men sim ya ka jing tibet ha ka jing sengkam la jong ki nong ri do kha ha ka jela katanat fishery kala Pynlong ya ka state Aquafest ka ban riu hne ka sngi ha plau jong ka state central library ha bakran bet ki lat patai khubor u secretary katanat fishery u SC Sadhu u la ong bala Pynlong ya ka Aquafest da ka jing thmu ban ai men sim ya ki nong ri do kha ka jela bat ban play ka lat ya ki khnang bakin la ban de ya ka jing pen mi jong ki da ka banru ba ka ni kan play lat ya ka jing ya dei bat ki nong singkam la jong paper usadhu ula banru ba ka ni kan yarap ya ki nong ri dok kha ban yo ya ka jing nang jing tip ya ki but jong ka juk ka baminta khnang bakin la ban nang pin bun ya ka jing pin mi dok kha bat bakin nang la ban di ha ka dor ka ba khambyang ya ka jing pin mi ya ki ha ki por ki ban sawan.
Earlier we had this Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 1.0. Now we are running 2.0 with the main objective of making Meghalaya self-sufficient in terms of fish production. You know that substantial requirement of our fish is being met from imports from other states. So we want to reduce the dependence on other states so that Meghalaya, as we have enough water bodies and all enough entrepreneurs and skilled fish farmers, so that we should reduce our dependency on other states so that we can have our own consumption, and also that whatever money which was going for outside to purchase fish will be in our state, and our farmers, fish farmers in general, will be benefited.
Ki laingut ki nang yukun